Returning back to Geometry, Chapter 8, we are going to use similarity statements. Now, similar polygons are going to have corresponding angles that are congruent, and they're going to have corresponding sides that are proportional, so they'll make a ratio. So here's an example of a larger triangle, RST, and a smaller one, XYZ, and the measurements of both. And here is the similarity statement. Notice that instead of a congruent statement, we have a similarity statement, and there's the similarity symbol. We want to find a scale factor of RST to XYZ. So when we do that, we want the new figure fraction to be on top and the original figure's fraction to be on bottom of the fractions. So let's say we go with the XY. He corresponds to the 20. So 12 over 20. And then we'll reduce those by dividing them by 4. And 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 20 divided by 4 is 5. So we got 3/5. Let's check that and make sure it holds true on the rest of them. All right, we've got the 18. That's in the same place as the 30. So I have 18 over 30. If I divide those both by 6, I get 3. And 30 divided by 6 is 5. So it held true for that one. And then let's take this 15 and put it over 25 since they correspond. And divide them by 5, so I get 3 over 5 again. So my scale factor is 3 over 5. Now it wants me to list the congruent angles, okay? So we can tell which ones are in the same place. You can also look at your similarity statement. R is written first, X is written first. So angle R is congruent to angle X. And then we have S and Y in the same place. That is here and here. So angle S is congruent to angle Y, the second one and the second one. And then we've got the T and the Z in the same place. So angle T is congruent to T is the third one, so it's the Z, angle Z. Now they want us to write corresponding side lengths, ratios of the corresponding side lengths, and I'm just going to use this. That way I don't get any of the letters backwards. RS. Let's see. No, I want to do let's do the small figure on top. So XY is in the same place as RS. So those are going to be congruent, or let's just say equal. They will be equal to, let's do YZ. That's the second and third one, so let's do the second and third one over ST. And that will be the same size as XZ, who is in the same place as RT. Now let's look at the pictures. XY, RS, YZ, ST, XZ, RT.